Hello my dear friends, how are you doing? I think all my friends doing well. Today I bring another new story. Live your life with purpose. Welcome, champions. Today's video is not just any ordinary video, it's something that could truly transform your life. Because today, we are talking about something that can change your career, your income, your self-respect, and your entire life. Once upon a time, in a small village named Bhavani, there lived a young boy named Ravi. Ravi was known for his kindness, but also for his confusion. He didn't know what he wanted to do with his life. Every day, he woke up, ate, worked in the fields, and went to sleep. But inside, he felt empty. One day, an old man named Chandran visited the village. He was a traveler, a storyteller, and a wise man. The villagers loved to listen to his stories. That evening, under a big banyan tree, he began to speak. "My friends," he said, "life is not just about living. It is about living with purpose. A life without purpose is like a boat without a sail." Ravi, sitting in the corner, listened carefully. He had never heard something like that before. Later that night, he could not sleep. He kept thinking, "What is my purpose? Why am I alive?" The next morning, Ravi went to see Chandran. "Sir," he said, "I want to find my purpose. Can you help me?" Chandran smiled. "Purpose is not something you find outside, Ravi. It is something you discover inside. But I can guide you. Go to 3 places. The mountains, the city, and the forest. Talk to people. See the world. Help others. Learn. And when you return, you will know." Ravi agreed. He packed his bag, took some money, and left his village for the first time. Ravi traveled to the mountains. There, he met a man named Ramesh, who was building a school for poor children. "Why are you doing this?" Ravi asked. Ramesh replied, "Because I was poor once. I know the pain. I want these kids to have a better life." Ravi helped him for 2 months. He carried bricks, painted walls, and taught children basic English. For the first time, Ravi felt joy from within. Helping others gave him peace. Next, Ravi went to the city. He was shocked by the noise, the crowds, and the fast life. He met a woman named Priya, who ran a center for mental health. "So many people here are lost," she said. "They have money, but no peace. They have jobs, but no happiness." Ravi volunteered at the center. He talked to people, listened to them, and shared his own story. He learned that many people just need someone to listen. After 6 months, Ravi went to a forest to meet a hermit named Sadhguru. He lived alone, prayed, meditated, and grew his own food. "What is your purpose?" Ravi asked. Sadhguru answered, "To live simply, to be grateful, and to share peace with the world." Ravi stayed with him for a month, learning how to meditate, how to stay calm, and how to connect with nature. 1 year later, Ravi returned to his village. He was not the same boy anymore. He was confident, calm, and clear. He went straight to Chandran. "I think I found my purpose," he said. "What is it?" Chandran asked. "To help others, to teach, and to share what I have learned," Ravi replied. Chandran smiled. Then go and live that purpose. Your life will shine like a lamp in the darkness. Ravi opened a small learning center in his village. He taught children, guided youth, and counseled people who felt lost. He invited experts, organized health camps, and started a free library. Years passed. Ravi was no longer an unknown boy. He was now a leader, a guide, and a light for others. One day, a young girl named Meena came to him and asked, Sir, how did you find your purpose? Ravi smiled and said, By leaving my comfort, facing the world, and serving with an open heart. Living with purpose does not mean you need to be rich or famous. It means you know why you wake up every day. It means your life makes a positive difference. Even a small act of kindness can be a great purpose. So, live your life with purpose. Do not just exist. Shine, serve, grow, and inspire. Many years passed since Ravi opened his learning center. He became a pillar of his village. People came to him with problems, questions, and dreams. He always listened, guided, and supported them. But Ravi was growing older. His hair turned gray. His walk was slow. He knew it was time to pass his knowledge to someone young. Someone who could carry his torch forward. One day, a teenage boy named Arjun walked into Ravi's center. He was tall, thin, and had a sharp look in his eyes. But he also looked angry, lost, and silent. Ravi welcomed him. Hello, young man. What brings you here? Arjun replied. I don't know. Everyone says you're wise. Maybe you can tell me why my life feels useless. Ravi smiled. Sit with me. Let's talk. Arjun's story was sad. His father was a drunkard. His mother worked in the fields. He was bright, but had no direction. He hated his school. He fought with teachers. He spent nights wandering the streets. I don't know what I want, Arjun said. But I don't want to be like everyone else. Ravi looked at him carefully. You remind me of myself, he said. Would you like to learn about purpose? Arjun shrugged. What do I have to do? Stay with me. Observe. Help. Ask. Listen. In time, you'll know. So Arjun began to spend time at Ravi's center. He cleaned the rooms. He organized books. He sat in classes. He watched Ravi teach, guide, and heal broken spirits. At first, he was quiet. But soon, he started asking questions. Why do you do this for free? Why do you spend hours listening to others' pain? Don't you get tired? Ravi answered, because this gives me energy. Helping others heals me. Their growth is my reward. One afternoon, a poor farmer came crying. His daughter had stopped going to school. She wanted to marry young. The farmer was helpless. Ravi looked at Arjun. Would you like to talk to her? Arjun was nervous. But he agreed. He met the girl, spoke to her gently, shared his own story, and explained how education could change her life. The next day, she returned to school. Ravi clapped Arjun's shoulder. You lit a small lamp in her life. For the first time, Arjun smiled with true happiness. Months passed. Arjun grew stronger in mind. He started teaching younger children. He wrote poems, taught music, and even organized a small science fair. One evening, he asked Ravi, "Do you think I have a purpose now?" Ravi said, "What do you feel when you wake up every morning?" Arjun replied, "Excited, hopeful, ready to do something good." "Then you found it." Ravi smiled. Soon, Ravi's health began to fade. Doctors said he needed rest. He called Arjun and said, "It's your time now. Lead, guide, be the torchbearer." Tears filled Arjun's eyes. "I'm not ready," he said. "You are," Ravi said. "Because purpose isn't about knowing everything. It's about being willing to learn, serve, and grow." Years later, Ravi passed away peacefully. The entire village mourned. But Arjun, now a young man, stood strong. He renamed the center as Ravi Life School. He continued the work. He expanded the center, opened computer classes, brought clean water to the village, and started a youth council. One day, a new boy walked in, angry and confused, just like Arjun had been. Arjun welcomed him. "Come, sit, let's talk. Purpose is not just found, it is built. It grows from struggle, from service, from sharing. One torch can light another, and that is how a legacy is born. Live your life with purpose, and teach others to do the same. That is how you create a life that never ends."